Right, so welcome back. It's a beautiful day. There's so much to be thankful for. And as I come to you again, this time I'm going to be talking about math. My whole reason for starting this little channel on YouTube is to talk about math and to make math simple. So often we teach math in the classroom, but we just give the kids this information and they don't know how to apply them. So today my first lesson as we lead into this math is to talk about some geometric figures that can connect to angles and measurements. Now, the only thing that we're going to need are craft sticks. We're going to have craft sticks. We're going to have glue. In my case, I use the Elmer's glue. But there are other glues out there that Amazon has that are capable of holding the sticks together. When we're done with these, they're going to become beautiful pieces. The squares can become little boxes to hold little trinkets for the students. And the hexagons and the octagons can become fruit bowls, actually. I had kids who did them for their parents for Mother's Day, and they turn out beautifully. Now, you might say, why these 3D figures? Why did I decide to do this? It is interesting to know that when I was 10 years old, I went to spend time with my grandmother in Trelawney, Jamaica. About 2 weeks into that vacation, one of my uncles came home from camp. When he came in with lots of little things that they made at the camp. There were saving boxes that were from butter, 2 butter dishes, glued together with a cotton top to put your little money in. But one of the things that really stuck to me was an octagon he made from the craft sticks. I wasn't there, I didn't know how they made it, but that really stood out for me. And I think maybe it was the math in me that connected to this. But in 2000, when I started teaching in New York City, and I'm looking at my students, and some of them grasped the concept so quickly when we did angles. And then there were other children who struggled a little bit, and I went home and I thought about it, and I thought, how can I help these children understand that learning these concepts are necessary? Because math is all around us. Everything we do has math in it. And so I need to give them something, a little bit of something that they could grab onto. And then I decided to bring what I saw from my uncle so many years ago. I started working on it so I could have understood how it's made in its total form. And then I brought it to my children. The first year we did it, I remember CES 72 in the Bronx. The PTO president came, and when she saw them, she took them to the district's office and had them displayed there. And then from onwards, I moved to Connecticut, to Hartford, Connecticut, and I started doing them in the classroom. And it has been one of my children's favorite things to do. And so today, you're going to see the first part of my Math Made Simple, because that's what my channel is really about. I will be working on math problems with you to help you understand a little bit better how it's done. So I want you to watch the video, enjoy it, share it, leave comments to me, leave questions to me if you have any, and I will be here to answer them all. Remember, to create these beautiful 3D geometric figures, you need glue, you'll need craft sticks, and you will need my tutorials as to how to make them. I want you to enjoy, and I will see you again.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Alvin's Back channel. So today we'll be doing shapes out of craft sticks. What you need is craft sticks that you're gonna use and glue. I mean, I got Elmer's glue, but it doesn't necessarily need Elmer's glue. Alright, so what we do first is that we put one of the craft sticks at a diagonal angle, then we put the other one on top of it. For the bottom one, all you gotta do is put it over both of them.